Hello, this is Mark from the Shading Company out here in Spring, Texas, where we just completed the installation of 5 exterior motorized patio shades. This customer called us because they were looking for a way to extend their living space in their covered patio. They were interested in a complete seal for bug control, a solar fabric for sun and solar protection and privacy, and basically also wind reduction. When you have these shades down, it's going to completely seal the area. It's going to cut out the wind. It's going to bring everything that I just mentioned. Come winter time, they'll be able to put a heater in there, and they're going to enjoy their patio. Summertime with the fan going, it's going to be very cool, very comfortable for them. This over here was kind of on the right here you see the bar area is a bit tricky. What we ended up doing was splitting the opening. We installed this custom 2x2 framing, so we can have a post here for our rail for shade number 2 and our shade number 1. We mortared right here next to the stone to finish the seal, and we pretty much caulked every column, so that what accomplishes the total seal for bug protection. It's a bit windy. I do apologize for the wind noise, but I'm going to show you how these shades work. The fabricator of these shades is Universal Screens. Very nice systems. The motors are from Somfy USA, the tubular motors. And then the fabric that you're going to see here is a Phifer Suntex 95% fabric. Very nice product. I'm going to show you how these units work. In my hand I got what is referred to as a Tele 16 remote from Somfy. This is our master remote. We use this remote to program all our shades. We don't want to damage or dirty the customer's existing remote. For the purpose of the video, I'm using this one. I'm going to start bringing unit 1 down, unit 2 down. You can see they're starting to come to their lower limit. Unit 3, unit 4, then unit 5 over here. As you can see over here, unit 1 already got to the lower limit, unit 2 to its lower limit, unit 3 to the lower limit, 4 almost there, 5 almost there. Very nice installation, very clean installation. With a single click of a button, the customer is going to be able to control their environment. As you can see, it's very private in there right now. If we were to stand inside, you will be amazed at the visibility of these units. It's completely visible through the inside. I'm going to go ahead and start bringing these units one up at a time individually. However, the customer has the ability to bring them up or down at the same time. I'm going to start with unit 5, then unit 4, unit 3, unit 2, and unit 1. Very clean installation. Very good job from our installation team here in the Houston area. The customer is very happy. We ran all the electrical into the attic with our electrical company that we use in the Houston area. It's a beautiful thing when with a single click of a button you can control your environment. You can add space, living space to your backyard, your outdoor kitchen. If you're in the market for any exterior or interior shading solutions, we're the company to call. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company. I hope you enjoy the video.